television, and the KDK radio station, and the first commercial broadcast. Then, next is the 1923, the Time magazine. The first news magazine was launched. And the last is the 1957. Philo Farnsworth transmitted the first electronic TV in
Nagawa
a
mo.
major milestone in
Nagawa mo. Aba, ayos. May pumasok ba?
So the topic I have discussed is electronic age. So from the word electronic age is electronic age in 1940 to 1986. So the electronic age refers to the point of technology advanced through the use of electricity, leading to the